I think Shift from day one has been like a volunteer test project where it kind of grew from learning new things and testing out new things. I think that's still kind of like the essence of Shift.
I started at Shift with an internship after my graduation. I continued doing the volunteer experience work.
We have around 4 to 6 full-term employees. We have our interns, and as we go towards the actual festival period, volunteers join the gang.
We have so many people from different backgrounds, and I think that is the key point of the festival, that we meet new people and get new ideas.
You get to work with the kind of forerunners of tech and business, our partners, our speakers. The whole environment where we work is super interesting, and getting to know those players in that field is a great asset and a great value.
I think working at Shift really develops your problem-solving skills because you get very many different challenges, but you also have the people that you can solve them with. Before I came to Shift, I had no idea about any of the event production things. I have really learned a lot in that sense also.
There's a lot of variety in the skill sets that we need. What is the most important is that you're somehow interested in the themes that we have. You're interested in future of technology, sustainability, and
absolute dream to make, and very special in the Turku region.
When we're actually in the festival mode, our crew consists of almost 100 people. Every year we do have a lot of new open opportunities. We're constantly looking for new people to join our team. Whether you're a student or have a lot of previous experience in your own field, we're always interested to.
There's this special kind of bond with everyone when we're at the office. It feels like second family. Of course, you're so excited about the festival, so that just brings us together.